Hello everyone, let's discuss the solution. Given in the problem is a triangular park PQR with PQ equal to PR equal to 200 meter, that is these sides respectively. Also given a TV tower stands at the midpoint of QR, point T, TW represents the TV tower, and given the angles of elevation PQR respectively 45, 30 degree, 30 degree from each of the vertices. Okay, now for the solution of this problem, first we'll consider the triangle PTW. Okay, in PTW tan 45 is equal to TW upon TP. Correct. We have TW, assume TW to be H and PT equal to be Y1. So tan 45 is equal to H upon Y1. We have the value of tan 45 as 1. So by cross multiplying we get H equal to Y1. Okay, remember it. Now coming to the second triangle, which would be QWT. Okay, in this triangle we find tan 30. Tan 30 would be equal to TW upon T2. We have TW equal to H and QT equal to Y2. So tan 30 has the value of root 3. So when we cross multiply we get Y2 equal to root 3H. Okay, so now considering the triangle PQT. In PQT we apply the formula PQ square equal to QT square plus PT square. That is the formula to find the length of the hypotenuse. We know the value of Y1, we know the value of Y2, right? If we find either of the values, either Y1 or Y2, we can find using the equations 1 and 2 the value of H. So applying the formula we get 40,000, that is 200 square, is equal to 3h square plus h square. 4h square equal to 40,000, h square equal to 10,000, and h equal to 100. Thus the answer is C.